This type of AI videos are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Now here, we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now in settings, we are going to choose the GPT-Image 2 model. Now the quality, we're going to use the medium quality, this because it's much cheaper than the high quality. And now we have to click this button. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. So personally, I'm going to choose this one. And now we have to click here, where it says use as a start frame. Now here we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well as the other prompt. And now in settings, we're going to change the model to Kling 3. Now the duration, we're going to choose 10 seconds. And finally, we have to click here. Now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. It looks really similar to those videos that are becoming very viral these days, of this tool with the good doing that. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.